हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग। आज हम आप सभी को चैप्टर 15 चैप्टर्स नेम द थ्री क्वेश्चंस का समरी बताएंगे। इस चैप्टर का समरी है थ्री क्वेश्चंस बाय लियो टॉल्स्टॉय इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी अबाउट ए किंग who believes that if one knows the answers to three particular questions, one would never fail in life. He seeks answers to these questions. The story is about his journey toward finding solutions. These three questions were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should be which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? The king the king offered a huge sum of money as a reward to anyone who could come up with the answer, and he received several kinds of answers, but none satisfied him. He then decided to seek the advice of a wise hermit. The hermit lived in a forest and met only simple folk, F-O-L-K folk. So the king put on plain clothes and walked alone to the hermit's hut. When the king arrived there, he saw the hermit digging, D-I-G-G-I-N-G, digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued to dig. The king asked him the three questions, but the hermit did not answer. The king saw that the old hermit was tiring, 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 as he slowly dug the ground. So he told the hermit to rest while he would do the work. The king continued to dig till it was evening. He then repeated his questions to the hermit. At that moment, someone came running towards the hermit's hut. His hands were clutching his bleeding stomach. As he reached the hut, he fainted and fell to the ground. The king tried to stop the bleeding, and then the hermit carried him into the hut and laid him on the bed. The king, the next morning, the wounded man asked for the king's forgiveness. He told the king he had wanted to kill him, as the king had killed his brother and taken his property. He was waiting for the king to return from the hermit's place, but the king's bodyguard had recognized him and wounded him. Upon hearing this, the king forgave the man and also returned his property. Before leaving, the king once again asked the hermit his three questions. The hermit replied that the most important time is the present, because it is the only time when we have the power to act. The most important person is be ourselves, and the most important job is to do good to others because that is what we have been sent sent to the world to do. Thank you.